When I started Tech Audit TV, which is my other YouTube channel that I'll link to below, my 6th video was me unboxing the first ever Google Pixel, and I fell in love with that phone. It completely changed my perspective of how smartphones should work for you. And yes, there were flaws, and the Google Pixel phones today still have flaws, but what Google has been doing, quietly doing, with their phones is, in my opinion, something special. So if you followed that channel, you'll notice I just kept creating more and more videos about the Google Pixel, and they ended up being some of my most successful videos. The problem was that over time, the Google Pixel videos just didn't fit the theme of where Tech Audit TV was going. So I decided to create Pixel Junkie, which is your one-stop shop for all things Google Pixel. So on this channel, you can expect reviews, rumors, news, tips, and tricks to optimize your Pixel experience. You name it, I'll make it, within reason, obviously. So if you are a Pixel junkie like me and you need that constant fix of news and information, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I will do my best to keep a steady flow of Pixel goodness coming your way. Until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Pixel Junkie. Take one of those.